Alright guys, welcome to the marine tip on how to clean crud off the bottom of your boat. In this video I'm going to show you how to, or how I do it. Now I make no warranties. You know, this is up to you and your boat. If you want to try it, that's fine, but I'm not responsible. But you need to, but for me, this is what I use. This boat's been in the water for about 4 weeks. We pulled it out for the storm. So I'm going to clean it. And what I use is the cheap hydrogen chloride. It needs to have hydrogen chloride. I buy this at Dollar General, but it needs to have the, see if you can see it there, active ingredients. That's what you need. So what I do is I take this and I take the top off and I empty the contents into a spray bottle. And I spray it on there and let it soak a few minutes. And I take a brush and scrub it. Then I rinse it off good. Then I come back with soap and water and clean it again to make sure I deactivate the chemicals that are in this. So here we go. Now I'm just going to spray it on there. And we wait. We don't want it to dry, so keep it wet. Wet it a little bit. Okay, there it is. Pretty clean. That was 2 treatments, may take 3. One thing to do, make sure you get plenty of water down in there. After you're done, rinse those boards off. They got carpet on them. Rinse all that off really good. But that was 2 treatments. Took 2 bottles. Got 1 left over. This is a 23-foot boat. So 2 bottles did a 23-foot boat. But as you can see, pretty clean. No scrubbing, no fuss.